Hello, everyone. This is Ron back from Ron's Drone and RC channel and also the Zino Nation channel. I got an email this morning from Mike Nielsen over at the Zino Nation group, and he alerted me that the Hubsan Zino 2 app was out in the App Store. So here we go. I'm going to run down it here. Okay, I'm in the App Store now. We're searching for it, typing in Hubsan. Um, Let's see here. Okay, there you see it, the Hubsan 2 app. I've already downloaded it, so we're just going to hit the open button here. I downloaded to test that it was there, but we're going to open it up now, and we're going to go through the settings. There's like two different Hubsan 2 apps there, so and it says open both, like I have both, but I only downloaded it one time, so don't know what is up with that, and they both look like a little bit different there, but. I only downloaded one, but it says open on both, so it seems to think I have both. But here we go. We're opening the app up. Kind of looks the same as when it was built in the XPlay app for the other things. Now it's asking me to approve it can see my photos. And here we're going to enter the main device. So here we're at the main window, and it looks very similar to the old XPlay app that was worked with several different Hubsan drones. So we're going to go through some of the menus here on the left. Normal mode, non-connected. There's waypoints. Look kind of similar to what we had before. We can't go any further in a lot of this stuff orbit because we don't have the drone, obviously, so we can't go too far in some of these other modes. Creative here, not connected. Line fly mode, not connected. And panoramic photo not connected. So I think pretty much the stuff on that side is the same panels that were there before. So I don't think there's any change yet there. There's the map feature. Shows where I'm located in beautiful Margate City down here at the Jersey Shore. So now we're going to work our way over to the other side of the app. So at least the map feature is working good. And I think it worked good in the other one, but it's always nice to know that it's working good. Okay, so we're in the camera features. We've got video resolution as the top one, and we got the 4K. And here's the big thing: you can go 60 frames per second in 4K now, which you could not before. There's your different options, and it defaults to 4K. There's white balance, which look kind of unchanged from before. The color profiles look unchanged. Let's see the photo format. We got RAW here. That's new. That's new and that's good. Then we got this night mode, which I don't know what that's about. I don't think we had that before. And video format, we only have MPEG for iOS, exposure. They're all just automatic or manuals. They were before. Saturation, that was there before. Contrast, that was there before. Sharpness, of course, was there before. Grid lines has been an option for a while also. Format SD card, of course, was there. Let's see what's next. Video format. So you can still only do MPEG 4. You can't do dot move, which is more of an Apple format. So that takes care of the camera settings. Of course, the same button changes it from photo to video. So that's kind of unchanged. And of course, we got not connected when we try different stuff. Okay, now here we're digging into the settings. So, it's kind of looks somewhat different here. Let's see, here's the controls. I guess it looks, I can't remember if that's any different or not than it was before, but I think it looks a little different. GPS, safe takeoff. Okay, here we're in FPV settings, FPV HD mode. I think that's new, at least new to the regular Zino. I didn't have the Zino Pro, so this stuff's in a Zino Pro. Pardon me, I didn't have that one. There was you could change your signals. There's the gimbal settings, which kind of look the same as the Zino 1. The map looks a little bit different there, but it may have been in the Zino Pro. What else do we have here? Smart battery. There you go. You can see all your different cells. That's very nice to know now. That's kind of newer general purpose. Okay, there's something. Oh, look, there's how you update the app and the controller. I mean, within the app, so no more of hooking up your Windows laptop and doing all that dance. Here's the beginner's guide here, but that update is really nice. So that's new, at least for Zino 1 owners. Again, if all the stuff is in here for the Zino Pro, I'm sorry I didn't have the Zino Pro. I never got to play with it. So there was how you set your, if you want metric or imperial system. So now we're kind of back to the main screen again. We're going to wrap this video up. As far as I know, I could tell this morning this wasn't available for Android yet, only iOS, but I'm sure the Android is coming soon. So what I'm wondering now is that this app's out. Will the Zino 2 start shipping now? Can we expect to see it in the next week or two, by the end of January? What is the guess now? Because the app supposedly was the holdup, and now that's no longer an issue here. So let's hope that we start seeing these Zino 2s arriving at people's doorsteps, within the next couple of weeks, and hopefully next week. Maybe Marcus Crawford, I'll have it on a set for Zino Nation next Monday. Monday, I don't know what Monday's date is. Today's like the 9th, so whatever Monday's date is. So thanks everybody for stopping in, and we're starting to get excited now that we have the new app and got some new features in there. So Zino Nation forever, baby. We'll see you in the next one.